Hi guys, so we're gonna open 2 of these Disney princesses and queens. This is Anna, Elsa, and Olaf, Series 2, Figural, Keyring, and this is 4+, because if you get it under for 4+, they might accidentally choke. So try to remember that, guys. And there's the top, and these are the characters. And look, you can collect them all. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 9 of them in total. And it's a Figural Keyring again. And look, there's Elsa, Anna, Olaf, Stitch, Evil Queen, Jack, Sally, Poof, Magnificent. And I hope I get a good one. And look, there's the bottom. It's $5.95. Now let's open it. Okay, let's see what it is. Let's get it out. Look, it's Sally. Aw, she looks so cute with her little dress. It's Sally. Aw, she has long red hair, geez. And she is from a Halloween movie. And she is with Jack, and Jack is in somewhere of one of those boxes. Now we have one more. Now here it is. Let's open it. Oops, I think I got it, guys. Don't worry. Just takes a little bit hard for a second. Okay, it's Sally again. Oh no, what do we do? Oh, whatever. I thought they were gonna be different, but they're the same. I guess they're gonna be sisters now, but maybe we can do a giveaway with these. I think maybe we will see. And these are, it looks like they're sisters. And I hope you keep up the good work. Like and subscribe.